edge of a heart attack. Any second now I'll go right back, right back. So blaming it all on you somehow, 'cause I can't face the truth out loud. You're happier than ever, than ever. Ha 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 ha. Wanted to forget you so bad that I tried till I couldn't feel the weight on my tongue. I shouted till I couldn't feel the air in my lungs. Wanted to regret you so bad. I was skydiving high, flying, running away. Too scared to admit that I was lying to myself. Lying to myself. I was lying to myself.